Hey, my beautiful people. I want to share with you an event that I've just gone to. YouTube Creative Collective Brit Awards 2026. I'm going to put together a little montage. But if you want to see the full video, that'll be on my main channel, Natural Love. But this is going to be like a little short BTS, little short behind the scenes with a little bit of me doing a dance class. Yes, your girl did a dance class. And this was because of the Brit Awards. Brit Awards is coming. It's very soon. And yeah, YouTube has put on a great event for us where we can go to a dance studio and learn a routine. And I'm going to bring that to you. So I'm going to give you a little short montage. Like I said, if you want to watch the full day, the link will be in the description box, and or it'll be on my main channel, or it'll be in my collaborations part section. So make sure you go and check that out.